Hey guys, so I am going to quickly show you guys what's inside of my client's Bali gift box, okay? So clients are getting ready to go off to Bali, and then today I have to actually meet her and take her these boxes, okay? So y'all watch me put together this box, okay? The last box, right? So as always, we are going to start with an empty box, okay? Set this one aside. Give me a second. All right. All right. So the first thing, y'all put in the chat, what's the first thing you're going to always put at the bottom of the box just to give it some pizzazz, give it a little okay? Y'all know? Y'all know what I'm about to say? Y'all know what I'm about to put in here? All right. First thing we're going to do is put some of that in there, all right? Put that in there, and let's spread it out. And, I mean, you could put more of it in there, but at the end of the day, clients are just going to throw this away, okay? They're going to just throw this thing away, so I do not waste a lot of money, putting a lot of, stuff in at the bottom, all right? So the next thing that we're going to put in there, just to kind of fill the box out just a little bit, is our T-shirts, right? I don't know if y'all remember me posting where my client going to. Well, look, this is the shirt. This client is going to Bali, all right? My client's 30th birthday trip in Bali. I'm super excited for her, okay? All right. Next thing that we're going to put in that box, we're going to go ahead and we're going to throw the water bottle in here, right? Water bottle is right there. Right? After that water bottle, let's go ahead and put her towel, her hand towel inside of there. And I roll mine up a specific way so that it can fit right here, right there. All right. All right. After that, we're going to go ahead and I bought her this cute little makeup bag. I thought it was so cute. So I'm going to make sure Bali is showing. And then I'm just going to lift that up and put that right there. Put up just a little bit. Get rid of that lint right there. All right. Let's see. Let me move it. And hopefully I'm not talking too loud. Last one I was talking a little loud. I don't know how to, sometimes my camera acts up. So, the volume on it. So I just chose not to use it until I figure out exactly what's going on. All right. So we got that. Next thing that we're going to do, go ahead and put some eye mask in there. Okay. I'll put this down here at the bottom and kind of like tuck it up under at the bottom. And then we're going to throw in some Advil. All right. Makeup remover. And then I got them some Bali soap. I'll put that right there. And it's 100% up to y'all, how y'all do boxes, how y'all construct them. This is just what I do, okay? And then the last thing that I want to add over here is some wipes, because, you never know when things get sticky or, if you encounter something that's, really dirty. All right, so actually let me go ahead and scoot this over. We could put this leave right here and then move this down there at the bottom. And so I like these because it matches. There we go. Right? Let's see. So I think that's everything that's in the box. Now, I do like to do little special things for my clients, such as, put, things, all of their travel documents and stuff inside of a folder. Okay. So she has that, her travel insurance documents, all of that is inside of there as well. Next thing I'm gonna put in this box, I'm gonna put in her gift box contents right there. Okay. And then actually that says the other client's name. Let me make sure I put the correct one in there. And so it kind of sort of outlines all of the contents that's in there so that you know, they can, you know, look back over it and see exactly what's going on inside the box, if that makes any sense. All right, so I got that there, and then my thank you card is in here. So I guess I'll put the thank you card over on this side. And I need a business card. Give me a second. I'm gonna get a business card and pop it in there. All right, so I'm gonna put my business card on the inside. So I have one on the inside as well as one on the folder as well, because you never really know. They may need to reach you. It could be an emergency. And I do have my emergency contact information on the travel document, the travel contents thing as well. And so for this client here, for all of my, where is that thing at? All of my group leaders and, you know, the people that, you know, that contacted me about the trip, I do like to do like little extra stuff. So for her, I have purchased her a certificate at my favorite restaurant. Okay, and so I'm just gonna plug that in on the back side of that. So let me try to move this forward. Maybe y'all can see it. All right. So and then I got these little sticky dots, and then I'm just gonna pretty much put 4 of them on the back side of the certificate. So we got one right there. And then we got one right here. So we might say, why you want to put one in each corner? That's not what I want to do. I want to put 4. I want to make sure it's secure. And these little stickies are sticky. You know, you go ahead, call yourself peeling it off. You might peel off some paper. So you need to, you know, if you're using, you know, little sticky dots, you just got to make sure that, you know, you are precise wherever you put it at. So what I'm doing right now, while it's not in camera view, I'm peeling the little stickies off of the back of this so I can position. I'm on. Thanks, sticky. All right, there we go. It's like a 2-way dot, if that makes sense. You know, a little 2-way tape, double-sided tape. All right, so let's see. All right, I got 2 more to go. Well, I guess I can show y'all some of them may want to see too, so let me just peel it off. All right, and all I'm pretty much gonna do is just, I don't know if y'all can, oh, y'all can see it. All right, so all I'm gonna do is, I'm censoring it. All right. All right. So I think that this looks good. So we got that there. And I did cover up the redemption information. All right. So I'll take that off. But yeah, that's gonna kind of wrap it up. These are the Bali boxes and everything that is in them. Y'all check the description. I may put a link in there that has all of the contents of the box. So it'll make you, if you're trying to make a Bali box very similar to this, it'll make it a lot easier for you. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and talk to you soon. Bye. Oh, if you guys like the video, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. I keep forgetting. We got a lot of people that do watch the videos and, you know, haven't subscribed. When you subscribe, it lets YouTube know that you enjoy watching videos like this so that they can recommend the video to other people. All right. So I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye-bye.